This is going to be the subject of a, let's see if it'll still work. It's an old Frigidaire Repulsion start induction motor made by Delco. Quarter horse. Pretty rusty. Been sitting outside for quite a long time. This green stuff is that kind of scum that grows on trees and on the side of your house. It is still free, but the oil spouts are pretty rusty. So I'm not sure if this one will come back, but we'll see. Here's a view of the commutator. Maybe some of the windings if they'll show. It's all still there, so it doesn't look like it's blown up or caught on fire. And this thing is quite heavy too, by the way. Probably in the neighborhood of 60 pounds. Get it on the scale when we go inside. So I started taking this motor apart, and I started filming because it got interesting. I was going to try to bust everything loose first and then start, but everything just came right off, which is kind of suspect. It's a pretty nice fall day. Hanging out with Hammy here. He's having a good time, laying in the sun. His favorite thing to do. So here we go. Like I was saying, everything just kind of came right loose. All the bolts and things and the screws. Like I said, it's kind of suspect. Makes you think somebody already took it apart before. And this looks like it's going to come right off too. Anybody recognize what that is? What do you think? I think the front cover will pull right off. Moment of truth. Look at that. Nice. Bearing actually looks good. Oh, actually I see a little bit of scrapage in there. Leave that thrust washer on there, and we'll leave that thrust washer in there for now. I'll give you a close-up on this. Looks alright. Let's see if we can take it apart a little more. baby. It's got some pretty good weight to it too. How's it going, Hammy? You having a nice time? Now what I think I'm going to do here before we get into some damage is clip this and deal with the rest later. I'm not sure if the back is going to come off. Let's try something here. No. Said we shall see. Oh yeah. We'll come right off. Check it out. Not too bad actually. Like I said, I'm really not sure if I'm gonna be able to service that sump. This oil sump, we're gonna have to check that out. To do a little research on that part. Yeah, there's all the leads. Looks like those will be easy to replace. The overdo it portion of myself wants to take this coil out, but I don't think that's necessary. Okay, that's a string. So a lot of that is strings. We're gonna have to clean this up before we can get a good actual analysis on there. So we'll be back. Stand by. Hey, Hammy.